let's look at R. So in order to look R, we have downloaded R Studio. So let's find an example of our first R script. What we are going to do is we'll look for a correlation. This is a very simple one. So I'll be opening a correlation plot, and this is a script in R. And as you see, what I'll be doing is executing script line by line. Actually, the most important are these four lines here. Now what I will do is I will load a table, empty cars. This is a table available on the web. So this is it actually. See, this is a model, miles per gallon, cylinders, horsepower, information about a car. Okay, so you can import this easily, any format. This works nice. So what I'm going to do is to take table and make correlation into matrix. So this is one line has been executed. So here is, as you see, a line of the script that is sent to console and executed. Now I'm in the second row, and I'm going to view what this execution did. So actually I already have correlation. If correlation is 1, it's a very strong or 100% correlated. If it's a -1, it's no correlation whatsoever. So just one line of code, and voila, I already have correlation. It was very fast. Now I'm loading the correlation plot library and plotting M, this is the matrix from this space, with the method circle. Let's see what this will do. Voila! See, it created a view, or actually it's a plot, which very nicely shows what is correlated or not. So miles per gallon, which means how far you can go with 1 gallon, is definitely not related if you have a lot of cylinders, which means if you have a lot of horsepower. What we are going to do very fast to look into the other options of this correlation plot function, just to give you the idea what else do we have here. So this is one option, just running little different parameters. Now display this data with the numbers, go on with the mix if we want to see it, another view. I'm just clicking and running through the lines of code that are being executed. Then few parameters which display data in this color or this. So the point here is not the visual itself, but the way how R works. It is a very short command with a lot of parameters, and these parameters vary a lot. So what is this correlation plot function? I will write a question mark. Okay, so here I get a help. You see, now I can read online what this, how parameters are built, and so on and so on. So it's very useful, it's very friendly, and you can make a progress. You can do first the baby step, and then you will be better each time. Now the same script can be executed in Power BI. So this was in its native environment, and let's open the correlation plot Power BI, because you know that Power BI has integrated R, and we are going to see how Power BI can execute R, or do something with R. So let's see what we have. So here is the same table that we had before, and in order to get correlation between these selected measures, I don't have all, but just few. We are going to click on an empty space to get a visual. You see the R editor window offers, and I cannot enter script now because first I have to put some data in. Let's put the miles per gallon, this one. Okay, you see I already created a data set, and the first column is here. Then let's take cylinders, and what else do we have? This display. Where do we have this? Okay, automatic or gear, number of gears. Okay, now this is already in my model in dataset, and now I can paste the script that I will copy from R. So let's copy this script and paste it here. It didn't execute automatically. We will execute it right now, but now it's one script at once. Okay, so you see we have this now right here, and if we work, so the deliverable is a visual, so it's not a data set, it's not a table, but a visual, because this is it, a visual, right? And in my preparation before, what I did is show the example of Power of this integration, because as this is a part of the Power BI, also every attribute that is a part of a data model can affect and show the visual interactiveness. So this is really very good, but we should know that this is a visual. Now in the next step we will show also how we can use our script to manage data. So we have been looking for correlations between the measures, and in this Power BI report that I'll open I will show you the correlation between the basket analysis, what is the correlation between let's say if you are buying clothing, how this is correlated in the basket with the shoes or anything. So this is the percentage where a customer were buying underwear and a bike jackets. It's 10%, it's highest one. This is not the same. So we have, in this case we have dimensions, and in our case we had measures. So this was level 1.